All right, this is River Flow. I've got the partial capo on the 2nd fret, and everything I'm doing is just, I'm just doing a G shape. And then kind of like that, I don't know, A minor or whatever that is, to like a C sort of thing, and then a D. Okay, shape. All right, and that's basically it. So also, I don't know whether I've got 4 verses, but I can cut out the 3rd verse. I'll do the full thing through, and then you can let me know what you want to do. Sitting by abandoned railroad tracks, over water clear and clean, I was waiting for my man to take the current down this stream. Listen to the river, listen to the river, listen to the river flowing by. Listen to the river, listen to the river, listen to the river flowing by. There's a willow by the waterway with her arms a leafy green, and though the current tries hard to pull her in, with her roots she shall remain. Listen to the river, listen to the river, listen to the river flowing by. Listen to the river, listen to the river, listen to the river flowing by. There's a footbridge down the stream a ways, and it's blowing in the wind. With every step I take, I must have faith I will not fall in. Listen to the river, listen to the river, listen to the river flowing by. Listen to the river, listen to the river, listen to the river flowing by. You gotta listen to that river flow. Let it flow, let it flow. You gotta listen to that river flowing, flowing by. You gotta listen to that river flow. Let it go, let it go. You gotta listen to that river flowing by. I might be sitting here all day till the sun sets in the sky, and when the stars come out, will I still be here? Asking myself why. Listen to the river,